men shouldn't feel bad for taking care of themselves. You know, I go to the spa, I get facials, I get massages, I get a pedicure. Like men can do that too. Like, and that's hot. Like, I don't want some scratchy, dirty feet touching me in the bed. Like, go get a pedicure, dude. Like, let's go together. You know, or go have some bro time, whatever it is that you want to do. Like, I think all of that stuff is super normalized now. Like, I don't think anything about going somewhere and seeing a man having a cosmetic treatment done. I applaud them for having the confidence to go and start that conversation.
And take care of themselves for their person, you know, because we are taking care of ourselves for them. And it's not something that should be categorized as being vain or, you know, looked down upon. It's taking care of yourself to make sure that your mental health, your physical health, your emotional health is all intact.
Yeah, especially when it comes to hair, like you see yourself multiple times every day. You know, when you wake up in the morning, you pass, you know, mirrors and windows. Like, I don't know, I'm always looking at myself. Maybe that's just me, but
No,
I feel like everybody, right? I feel like everybody is like, look, like we all check ourselves out, like, and just imagine, you know, having a change, you know, making a conscious effort to change something and invest in something and take care of it and to see that, you know, and reap the benefits of it every single day. Like every day you wake up and you're like, man, I look good, you know, everybody deserves that feeling.